Charge. Gary Martin Hayes is joining us live this morning, the founder of Keep Georgia Safe, which is a nonprofit aimed at organizing safety education and crime prevention training here. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
People want to help, but the description of the vehicle, for instance, is so vague. What can people do right now to try to help bring Ayvani home? You know,
one thing they do is download the 11Alive app. You guys have pictures of the perpetrators as well as Ayvani. This is a crime-fighting tool. Download that app. You can have the information right there on the phone and immediately be able to call 911 if you see them or see the young girl.
There has to be someone out there who knows something as well.
Someone has to. I mean, if they're discharging a weapon at 3 a.m. in that neighborhood as well lit as it was, someone had to see them driving away.
People are hearing about this, and it sounds like it was a random home invasion, and everyone's thinking, okay, what if that was me and my home? What should people do to protect themselves in a situation like this?
Yeah, great question, and we're big on prevention. One thing to do is make sure all their exterior doors are well lit. Make sure the bushes, trees are trimmed back so the doors are exposed so people can see when someone's at the door. Invest in solid doors. Put a deadbolt system on there. Get an alarm. Even if you don't want to pay to have it monitored, at least have an alarm so you can push a panic button that will emit a loud siren noise throughout the neighborhood. That's going to alert people, hey, something's going on here and I need help.
And you said keep a phone by you at all times. That's another important thing.
Correct. Keep a phone by your bed where you can immediately dial 911, be it a cell phone or your house phone, and alert the authorities immediately.
You work with authorities to train them how to handle events like this. What are they doing right now? What are they doing to get this thing solved?
Yeah, great question. There are a lot of things they're doing right now. The big thing they're doing is collecting tips from the general public. They're entering it into a database, and that way they can cross-check all the facts. And someone's sifting through that, analyzing that data, deciding which ones are priority, sending people out, the law enforcement authorities, to investigate those leads. The other thing they're doing, they're taking those composite sketches. They are looking for people that have a prior criminal history, at least within a 50-mile radius, to see if anyone matches the description. I mean, these are guys, I think, that have done something like this. Again, they're no strangers to the criminal justice system.
It is a frightening thing. People trying to get Ayvani. We do appreciate your time, Gary Martin Hayes.